technology. I welcome you all for this online presentational skills workshop, which has been organized and will be conducted by our faculty member who is really techno-savvy, Professor RomaSmartJoseph. And in this workshop, you will be apprised with Zoom presentational skills, which is one of the very important skill that you should know as future teachers. It will be used in your teaching, and you know that technology is going to be integrated, is being integrated, and in the years to come, it is going to be a very integral part of the teaching learning process. So through this workshop, you will be learning about the presentational skills, you know, your slides, your PowerPoint presentations, your videos and Zoom interface, and how you are going to work with the Zoom platform. Because nowadays, whenever there is any problem, there is a rainy day, the weather and things like that, then it's not a holiday like when we were young. Now it is online classes. So immediately, you know, you have to switch to online mode. So, and in that, Zoom is one of the most popular online mode, because it has got very special features and very practical features it has, and easy to work with. So the Zoom interface is very important. So I welcome you all, and you will really learn a lot. Alright, and I acknowledge the efforts of Professor Joseph, who has really worked hard with this technological field, in this field, and tomorrow also the seminar is there, so you will learn a lot about the use of technology in the 21st century.
And all of us know that we are all prepared, all set for tomorrow's workshop, tomorrow's webinar, just so that we would be able to conduct that seamlessly. The objective of this workshop is to abreast you with the technology skills we need for Zoom presentation. We will learn Zoom interface. I have already made you co-host, that is very important. How you will be co-host and would be administering the entire things there, would managing the Zoom interface, that is important, so that everything goes on smooth. Fine, we have 3 speakers, we have many participants. All the technology team, all 5-6 members have to manage all that, because we will be busy in presentations also. So now you have to learn as future teachers, because you cannot do anything without technology. If you want to be a teacher, if you want to have that skill set which would help you in 21st century skill, you need to know these nuances of technology which would help you in each and every step. So now I would go on the laptop, and you follow me on your sets. All those who have laptop, please follow me there. I will take you there to the Zoom interface.